Let's discover stock market investing and valuation. Would you like to understand how to build long-term wealth through investing in the stock market? What do these terms mean to you? Compound growth, time value of money, intrinsic value, price earnings to growth ratio. These are all financial terms which are closely tied to stock market investing. My name is John Colley. I've been an investment banker for over 30 years. This is just one of my many financial qualifications. I also manage my own 7-figure investment portfolio that I have built up over the last 30 years and more. It's my pleasure to share my knowledge and experience with you. So let's put aside all the glitzy razzmatazz of a promotional video. This is a very detailed and hands-on course. Fundamentally, it has two main parts, which are subdivided into 4 and 3 sections respectively. In part 1, we cover an introduction to the stock market, 5 essential stock market principles, are you ready to start stock market investing, and what do you need to know about stocks. In part 2, we cover company evaluation and stock selection, stock investment evaluation practical exercise, and simple stock screen calculator. To make this course more engaging, I've created nearly 40 quizzes to keep you on your toes. I've also created 2 financial models to help you discover how to analyze and evaluate potential stock investments. You won't find these anywhere else. But this course has something quite unique, especially if English is not your first language. Each section of the course includes a transcript of all the lectures. These are translated using Google Translate, as I'm not polylingual, into 10 languages that you can see on the screen. The quiz questions and answers are also available in translation. If you are serious about building your long-term wealth through stock market investing, I'm serious about showing you how to do it. This is an engaging but serious course. Enroll today and I look forward to working with you. Providing you're serious about it, of course. Only kidding, but let's get started. Enroll today in my stock market investing and valuation course, and I look forward to working with you through this 5-hour course to really get under the skin of how to grow your long-term wealth through the stock market.